Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will creating GUI or GUI. Then uh, display the data of the user. So let's proceed. So right click this package. Then let's add Java package. Then let's name it GUI. Then let's right click. Then add JPA form. So let's delete this new. Then let's remain the G frame to me means that this class is G frame. So let's put up for main G frame. So let's click finish. Then here let's maximize the form. Then right click this G frame in navigator. Then right click properties. Then select code tab. Then generate resize code. Then generate center to display center. Then save. Then let's right click this GUI. Then let's add Java package. Then let's name it dialog. Okay, where we put all the dialog here. Then let's right click. Then select this dialog form. Then let's delete this new. Then let's remain G dialog. Then let's put user. Then let's resize. Then let's add here JTable, okay, where we can display the data of users. So this one, right click. Then let's add here button. Then right click. Then new for if we add new user and paste. Okay. Okay. Then let's rename this one to update. If you want, if we want to update the user, then delete. Then text field here. If we want to search um, if we want to search the user, certain user, then that one. Then let's add here. Right click. Then let's add Java package for uh, update and delete, add and update. Not necessary if we want to add D or delete. Okay, here let's add here dialog form. Then let's add here user add update AU. Then one. Then let's design the form here. Then let's add label. Okay. Then let's put here um, first name. Then let's copy. Then let's add text field for um, user first name. Then let's change the variable here. First name, then here we need to add layout here. Then right click the dialog, then set layout absolute layout. So downloading the dependency of absolute layout, if you can see in the project files here, then boom, it will automatically added the dependency of absolute layout. So let's go back to the user AU. So here let's add, because we add layout absolute layout, so let's scroll the properties of the GTX field. Then let's change the y-axis. So the y-axis is, let's minus here. This is from this border to the first name border. So let's assume that we need to reduce 6. So let's put here 30. So okay, 30. So let's add here um, surname. Then copy this one. Okay. Then first name. This one, let's change this to surname. Then let's change this to first name. Then back to layout. Then let's change this to 75. Okay. Then this one, let's change to okay 28. Okay. Then copy this one. Then change username. Then copy, change, no, this one is username. Then change this one surname. Then change the y-axis. So let's 124 for example. Okay. Then copy. Then the password here. Then copy the text field. Um, then change the variable password. Then change the y-axis to 174, 75. Okay. Then change the variable here, username. Then this is password. The next is the rule. Rule. Then let's add combo box here. Combo box, because we have rule like user and admin. Okay. Change the variable rule. Then let's add button for save. Okay. It will change the text here. Save or button later in next video. I think. Next video. So This is our UI. So to display the UI created, so let's leave this as comment. Then let's call the gprime main, frame main. Then main equal new gprime main. Then main set visible true. Then let's proceed to main able to display the G dialog user. Let's right click this gprime in the navigator. Then let's add menu bar. Then here, let's change this to setup. Then let's right click this one, then add a menu item, then change to user. Then right click this user, then let's add events action perform. Then here, let's delete the comment. Then type dialog user, then user, then true, then user and set visible true. The next is let's here in our user, let's click this new to display the JDialog user AU. So let's type JDialog user AU, user AU, JDialog. Then true. Then this parameter of the component here, let's leave this null because we don't set yet. In next video we will add a component here, which is the um, component of modal, so parent of this dialog. So later we will put that set visible true, because there's a lot of prerequisite of this. So let's try to run the project. Run. Okay. So we have a UI here, then user. Okay, it will display the user. Then click new. So we will not set this as generate in center. Then let's add the size. So let's close this one. Then let's add data where we can display all the user. So let's here um no here, because our look and feel is metal, so let's adjust this one. So let's try to run. Ano, let's right click this one, then properties, then code, precise code. Okay, so let's try before we proceed to display the user's data. Here, it's okay. Okay, so let's change here because we not set this as generated size code. So there's no problem with that. Then let's add data here. Let's proceed because we don't want to consume our time for adding data. So let's proceed. later I will teach you how to code that, but our topic is to create UI. So let's put here Aldrin. Let's focus for the UI. Here password is admin. Then by lin. Then here let's put admin for the user. Then the rule is admin is one. Then save because the rule okay at one. So here let's set in the JDialog user here. Let's set the JTable. So here let's change the variable of the JTable here. Change the variable. Then let's put user. Then source. Then here let's call the default table model. Default table model. Okay. Table model. Equal new default table model. Then let's put here which is this one object. Then let's put new object object then square bracket then the array of our column name. Okay, then our column name is let's put here um id. Then next is um, first name, then surname, then let's add here username, then password, then here let's add rule. So rule and semicolon here. Okay. What is the problem with this one? Um, we delete the mm, we delete the row count. Let's put row count here 0. Then let's set the table. Then let's add this table model to JTable. So private private void set table. Then let's put here JTable user. Then set cell um, editor cell select enable true. Then JTable user equal new JTable. Then let's add the table module here. Okay. Then let's add this propane. Then set view. Where is it? Set view port JTable. Yes, sir. Then let's proceed to our DAO. This is the requirements of this. view this one. Okay, JTable user. The next is let's display the data. Then let's call the user DAO implementation. So private user DAO implementation user list. Uh, let's put here value user DAO implementation. Then let's create method here private void select user, then table model, then set row count 0 every time we refresh or we select. So it set the row count 0, then it start to add data here user DAO. Okay, for loop, for each loop also. Okay, so this one, so let's add lambda expression. um let's call the select, then select user, then our entity here. Okay, so let's call this one hibernate config, then okay, hibernate config, let's import, then hc, then get entity manager. Okay, then it's okay. So here let's add loop. So this is a list. So let's add here for each loop, for each loop, then our lambda expression user, then statement. So our statement here, let's put add data. So let's call the table model, then add, which is add row, this one, then new object because we don't know the data type, then object, then okay, then let's put here user, which is first is user ID, so let's get the ID, then next is user get first name, then user get surname, then user get username, then user get password, then user then get rule, then let's display the rule description of the rule, get rule. Okay, so let's call this method, this one setable, and this select user to the after this initialize components. Do not do not put the method setable setable up before of these initial components. Okay, you need to add this before or after initial components. So let's try if it is okay. Let's try run to see the data. Let's select. Okay, so we have here data for the user. So next time I will teach you, okay, here our next before we create update delete. So we need to add here a list of combo box and okay, our next topic is the J combo box. So let's see you next video. I hope you learned from this video. So bye. Thank you for watching.